man the important positions. And I'll go through the crew list now. We have number one is the gun commander. He's in charge. He directs the gun crew, responsible for safety of the crew and general well-being of the crew. Number two is the rotation of the gun. He has a little handset, cranks the gun around, it rotates 360 degrees. He also has a telescopic sight and an open air sight in front of him, and he has to keep his crosshairs on the target. Number three controls the elevation of the gun. He also has open sight and a telescopic sight, and between him and the other guy, they have to keep their crosshairs on the target to get anywhere near close to hitting it. And that probably accounts for why so many misses. You get the two trying to work together with that one. Good exercise. Number four is the man on the breech. His responsibility is to efficiently open, close the breech. He makes sure that the loader doesn't lose any fingers. The breech is a two-position thing. When you open it, it automatically cocks the firing pin. When it's closed and fired, you open it again, and there's an ejector that ejects the empty casing. It's part of the design of this gun. It's called a quick-fire gun. Conventional guns of those days, you may remember if you watched the old movies, they ram a warhead in, then bags of powder got rammed in. And that took time. So what they did was develop, it's like a giant rifle bullet. Everything's in one package, so that speeds up the process. We have number five. Number five is the loader. His job is to take the rounds from the two cabinets behind. They're called ready cabinets, and make sure the fuse timing is set on the shell, and load it in the gun, keeping all his fingers. A good crew can fire 15, 16 rounds a minute. They needed to, because the poor ability to hit anything. But what they did find work was something called barrage fire. About 1916, Dover was declared a gun-defended port. Military was increased, and these guns, there's 8 of them defending Dover from the Western Heights to Langdon, and their job was to try to keep the enemy aircraft away. Not being able to hit it, what they developed was barrage fire, where, say, 8 guns, get a good crew, 15 rounds, you get 120 rounds a minute in the air. What they would do with a bracket in front of where the target you suspected it was going, and the guy's flying along, and suddenly the sky in front of him lights up with explosions everywhere. So you're going to risk going into that or turn off. Most times they turned off. So he never got the bomb as target, even though he didn't shoot him down to that. Safety-wise, we fired 3 blank rounds, not very loud, but there is a percussion wave. That's why we have to keep you a certain distance. The gun crew has to wear hearing protection. Didn't have health and safety in those days. In fact, if you worked on any artillery, you always made sure you worked the same side of the gun, so you'd only be dead in one ear. Once the gun's fired and the gun commander declares the site safe, the safety cord will come down. You're more than welcome to come up to the gun, ask questions, take pictures. If you haven't been in that building there yet, that's also Great War period. At the bottom floor is the fire command post from 1914. There's a middle floor in there, which is the old Royal Navy signal station. This was the home port to the Dover Patrol, and they used flags and wireless to chat to the fleet when they were in harbor. And you got the top flag deck to give you a nice view. France is starting to appear, the Calais over there you can see in the sun, and Dungeness is down there looking quite clear. So once that's done, we'll open up. Thanks.
Ready? Then you need to stand up for your salute.
Section to action! Use friendly! Target out of range! Target in range, go on!
cool.
It's scary.
Mate, you're good.
Oh no, not another 2 more.
Yeah, mate. Got 2 more to go.
Yeah.
They're doing 2 this and then
Let go.
1 more.
Clear. What's that? That's like a firework pace. There's one more. That is it good watching it there? Can you see it properly? You can see it anyway, but... No, let her do it, mate. Just try it. It's alright. Go on, Mabel, look. Mabel, look.
Wow, that was so cool.
Clap, clap.